Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes File Explorer not highlighting selected files and folders Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization. Click Themes. Change other theme. Second method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility. Click Contrast Themes. Select any contrast themes. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand display adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.